Hi guys, Yongsheng here. So today we got some exciting tasks for you guys. And what we want to do today is to using an automated AI coding agent called RooCode. And instead of coding, I will ask it to perform some data analysis, data cleaning, and also perhaps data modeling to build a predictive model for our data set. So our approach used will be the SEMA approach that we will introduce later. So before we move into the topic, let us try to introduce some uh, tools we have used. So first is the VS Code, is a coding environment. So you can see in our VS Code, we have put a file, and then this file is actually downloaded from the Kaggle website. Yeah, this one. Okay. So after we download and then place it in our VS Code, what we will be doing is that we will go to the root code, we will install it. Yeah, we have already installed lah. We will need to install GitHub Copilot chat, and also something called RooCode. Yeah, this is here. So what it does is actually do some AI coding stuff that we'll see in the demo later. Okay, that's fine. So let us start. Okay, here is the chat interface of the RooCode. So actually I have set out some setting. For example, I use this one VS Code LM API, and then I connect to the Cloud Sonnet. And actually you can choose others, but I use Cloud 3.5 Sonnet for this time. And actually this one I need to activate it at the GitHub settings. If not, you will not allow to access for the time being. Yeah, but it's very quick and easy to enable it. Okay, done. So next thing is that actually I also install the MCP server. So for those who are not know, actually this is similar to like tools, I would say. So this RooCode will interact with this MCP server to do some tasks. For example, for our case, we use a MCP server for data exploration. So what it does is that whenever there's a task regarding the data analysis, it will interact with this server first, and then this server will determine, actually it's not this server, it's NCP will interact this one, and then they will decide which function they will be calling, and for example explore data or run the script generated by LLM, cloud LLM. So with this setup, actually it makes it, how to say, it's like it makes it easier for LM to interact with our local data lah. If not, actually I tried it before. I tried to upload the data set to Cloud AI, and actually what it does is that it always exceed the uh file file limit error lah. Because my file size is too big. So maybe I do some demo here. Okay, for example, this data set, I just upload it here, and then you can see a error prompt up that I cannot upload files larger than 30 MB. So that's why we have this today demo lah. Yeah, just to have a look that how we could solve this with MCP server and this one. Yeah, .csv run script. Okay, so maybe I start first with the prompt. Yeah, this one. You can see this is the prompt later. I will later put into the RooCode chat. Yeah, so basically I will just define a set of rules and then ask the LM to use the SEMA approach. Yeah, and basically I specify some stats for for the RooCode to refer. Yeah. Okay, this is not SEMA steps, but I just add in because I also want to do some unsupervised learning. So lastly, yeah, I want the LM to generate a report or business recommendation with the finding. So maybe let's start lah. I just put it here. Okay. So actually it will take some time to run. Yeah, you can see here is the setup. Yeah, you're starting with P server. Yeah, and call the function data explore, and then just add a proof lah. Oh, error first. Yeah, it's normal lah. Approve. It will try to auto to find the data file. Okay, I think he found already. So let me approve it. Okay, successfully loaded CSV. So that's how. Data exploration. Okay. Oh, wrong already. So he try to create again. Yeah. So actually, what I think is powerful is that he always debug the error itself and then try to run until it can be corrected. Yeah. Make bigger, approve. Actually, I can also use auto approve. Maybe auto approve is faster. Read file, active file. Use NCP server. This one. Okay. We will create some report already. Approve. Okay. Actually, this one a lot of time, so it's just to let you guys to have a look on how is the execution, how they do it step by step, and then try to correct the mistake they have made, and then until they finally create some modeling stuff and maybe on some clustering tasks to discover more business insight, and then finally do some business recommendation. Yeah, already done modeling, and then you can see the modeling result. Okay, approve. Oh no, this one no module called IP then. I'm not sure if it will solve it himself lah. Yeah, because I didn't install it. Let's see how. Approve. Wow, a lot of errors actually. Yeah, can try to see lah. Okay, he proposed something different approach to solve the error and see if it could be success. Okay, approve. try few requests lah. Maybe this one it will be better. Okay, here might be a little bit boring because we just try to see the how RooCode will handle the error itself. Approve. We do the modeling again. It seems like not much difference. Okay, clustering done finally. Yeah, report is generated. Almost done. Okay. Error again. He will try to self-fix it. Oh, again. Okay, let me see. I should quite a lot of tokens already. I think it's about to complete. Okay, seems like it's okay. And then I try to copy what it done before. Okay, my task is want the LM to reproduce all the experiment it had uh, done before. So let me maybe like do a prompt. Reproduce your experiment and write it out to local file system by creating Python file for your customer. Okay. Let me check again. Please make sure that the result will be consistent to your final business recommendation. Something like this lah. So I paste back the thing I copied before. And then we can try send it to the LM lah, and see how. Double check again. Yeah, should be okay. Yeah, that's cost a lot API lah, but because we are using the GitHub Copilot lah, and actually for GitHub Copilot we have a subscription of $10 each month so we have our cost actually fixed. Yeah, and then actually for me I also apply. I'm currently studying as the Master of Data Science, so I able to get a free subscription for 2 years under the GitHub education account. Yeah, so that I can use it currently for free lah. Yeah, use this one. Okay, wow, he even found some syntax error and auto fix. Okay, interesting. Wow, oh, also got seal hook scope. Interesting. Half my okay. Quite some quite impressive. Run the command. Let's see if this will successfully run. No module. Maybe let me try. Hey, wait a minute, wait a minute. If I let go. Okay, run again. Oh, he document our project. Okay, let's see how. Loading and processing data, training and evaluation, perform customization. Okay, task completed. Let's check. Okay, there are a lot of data here. Let me check what is the previous result they are having. A bit long. This one. Let me copy this one. And let us have a reader. Maybe we put it here. This is the result. Maybe I just ask the LM to output it. Can you output this as markdown format? Thanks. Something like that. Okay. Should be okay. See how it works. Oh, okay. Report. Wow. It helped me to create a report. Okay, interesting. So maybe let me try to see this report. Predictive achieve random forest. Seems like true. 92% recall. Oh, okay. Key predictors, total charge, monthly charge. Customer segmentation. Okay, this they are using k-means, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see. Yeah, k-means only lah. actually in my prompt I asked the LM to use either k-means or db-scan for clustering, but it only returns me k-means, but it's okay. Also, so here is the clustering lawyer. Yeah, this type will be a bit boring because you guys will see me just staring at the screen, nothing much, just to have a brief check on this lah. Okay, 31577. Oh, 22%. How to look? Need to manual calculate. Okay, maybe let me manual calculate. Cluster 1, cluster 2. Oh, this one. Okay, I missed this one. Okay, let's try. Okay, 7.043. So let me see if the 22% is correct. Hopefully it is 20%. Okay, correct. Next thing to check this one. 23, 22, sorry. 32%. Let me see. 33, something there, right? 45. Okay. So basically seems like interesting thing. Yeah. Seems like interesting. It will auto write some code for me and then debug, do some feature engineering based on the feedback from the MCP server, and thus uh, it can better to analyze the data and then do some modeling lah. Okay, with our instruction. So in future actually okay, so to better evaluate this system, actually I recently found a thing called let me think. I think it's called something DA bench. DA bench. Let me search internet. This one. Yeah. Something like this. I found this is quite interesting. But for our current experimentation, we won't touch this first because it will be a very heavy job. So you can see it has some question to ask about data analysis tasks, and then there's some answer here. Yeah, basically I think they have around 30 plus something CSV data lah for people to for LM to choose lah. And then based on the question, they will ask some basic simple question. You can see this one is simple level, and then specify the file name, and then they just ask some question lah. So actually in future maybe you can try with this benchmark and then see how it will correctly query to perform the data analysis task and see how many percent it will be correct lah. So you can see actually there's published articles on this one already. This one, yeah, I found it quite interesting lah. Paper, HTML. So in this paper, there are some benchmark they are using. Yeah, they are using all this model under a React agent framework, and then they achieve some kind of accuracy on this question answering on the CSV data set. Yeah, currently is GPT-4 has the highest accuracy, but this research is actually published on 11 March, is past 1 year already. So maybe if we conduct another analysis, we will have a better result lah, since there's a lot of involvement inside this LM area. And actually, what I'm impressed is that they are using a framework called React lah, yeah, to create this agent for LM to like think themselves and then to analyze the CSV data lah. Which I previously at that time I didn't thought before. Yeah. Okay. So I think that's about the end. Yeah, I will publish all this setup on GitHub, and then you guys can have a cross check of this analysis lah. Okay. Thank you guys. Bye bye.